Hello, I'm Bob DeCure, and this is the training video for the neuMedia Kiosk Guest Media application. The neuMedia Kiosk Guest Media application allows guests to select their media and post them to email, cell phones, cloud storage, and various social media sites. The screen interaction is simple and fast so that guests spend as little time as possible using the app. Multiple applications can be run simultaneously with a shared media location. The configuration help in video covers these terms in more depth, but for this video some quick definitions are important. First, an event. An event is any place the kiosk is operational. Events can be birthdays, parties, conventions, a holiday, or any temporary or permanent location for videos and photos. A guest is any person or group that has these photos, videos, or participates in the kiosk questionnaires or surveys. Media are the guest photos and videos, and a post is an upload of those photos or videos to the cloud or social media sites. This is the kiosk main menu. To get started, you should first select the current event. Guests and guest media are stored by event, and switching events will display a different set of media. Select Settings from the main menu and choose the second option to change the current event. neuMedia Kiosk is installed with 10 predefined events. These may be changed, deleted, reset, and reused, and any number of additional events can be added. Here we are simply choosing the current event by highlighting the desired event and pressing Select. Once the event is selected, the event will be displayed on the main menu. To start the Guest Media application, select the third option from the main menu. The Guest Media app is a full-screen application with no window adorners to resize, minimize, or even close the window. This allows for very limited guest interaction. This is the main screen for the Guest Media application. For each guest at the event, a single photo or video is displayed. The guest selects their media, and all photos and videos for that guest are displayed on the column on the right. From there, they may remove any photos or videos they don't wish to post. Media are displayed from the most recent on the upper left, and left to right, top to bottom according to the time taken. There is no need to refresh or restart the application, as new guests and media are added during operation, and this main screen is updated automatically. The top of each frame shows whether the media is a photo or video, and the date and time taken is displayed below the image. The guest may change the selection on this screen at any time. Once the desired media are selected, they are instructed to press the Share button to post the selections. Once the Share button is pressed, the guest is taken to this Post menu. The options on this menu are determined by the event configuration, which will be shown later in this video. The colors and themes may also be changed in the configuration. Guests may post the selected media once to any displayed social media option. Upon a successful post, the option will be disabled for that guest. Social media sites have limitations to the types of media that can be posted. Email options are set up in the configuration and may contain attached photos and optionally linked videos. Attaching videos to emails is not supported, as most email servers don't allow content which exceeds certain limits. SMS posts to cell phones will support both photos and videos, though carrier data rates will apply. Facebook allows both photos and videos, YouTube only videos. Twitter will allow a single video, a single GIF, or up to four photos per tweet. VidMe is video only, while Flickr is photos only. Twitter, Microsoft OneDrive, and Google Plus will support most media. For each social media site, the guest must log in and authorize posts by the neuMedia Kiosk app to their personal data. This is the Facebook authorization screen. The guest may use the on-screen keyboard if a touch monitor is used, or an external mouse and keyboard is also supported. This is the authorization screen for Microsoft's OneDrive. Most social media sites have similar looking login screens, and the guest is informed that their login ID and password are not stored or recorded. For posting to email, the guest must input their email address. The keyboard used, the prompts, error messages, and descriptions are customizable in the configuration. For posting to cell phones via SMS, the guest must select their carrier and enter their cell phone number. The carrier is needed because all carriers have unique requirements for posting messages. Also in the configuration, carriers may be added, deleted, or updated. When the guest is finished posting, they can press the Done button at the bottom right and return to the main guest media screen. There is a 3-minute inactivity timeout where if the guest selects no options, the app will return to the main screen. From the theme and background colors to posting options and parameters, the guest media application can be customized for every event. From the main menu, select the theme colors for the event. This is the main event configuration screen. At the top are 8 tabs, with each tab having additional tabs at the bottom. Depending on which tab selected, a preview screen is displayed to the right. We're going to take a look at 2 of these upper tabs, Post-Processing and Miscellaneous Defaults. In the Miscellaneous Defaults, you can select the default theme, page transitions, and other display options for the guest media application. These settings are event-wide, so changes made here will affect both the guest media and normal kiosk operation. Because there are so many color, theme, and transition display options, it is best to try many combinations to determine the most appropriate settings for the event. The standard events each show popular combinations. These pages show the effect of changing the background colors and themes on the Post menu. On the Post Processing tab, you can select which social media sites are active in the Guest Media Post menu. It is important to toggle the Enable Social Media in Guest app to On in order to enable these services. The default media message will be the media description for each post, while the event name is the title. A full-time internet connection is required for the guest to post to social media sites, but the posts themselves may be delayed and processed in a batch operation at the end of the day. Set the social media process to batch to enable this feature, or leave it online to post in real time. This is the Post menu with a blue theme and only 4 social media sites active. To enable guests to post to their own email, the settings in the Email tab must be completed. There is additional help available in setting these parameters. The second tab at the bottom is the SMS configuration. Here you can configure which carriers are presented to the guests, along with their names and posting domains. Be sure to enable the SMS in the Guest app by toggling the setting to On. Click on a carrier to edit the name or domain. Save any changes to the configuration and exit to return to the main menu. As a final note, the guest media application can run on multiple screens as well as the main kiosk screen. Each of these must point to a shared media location on an active network. To set this media location, select Settings and the fifth option from this menu. A warning message will be displayed and you must choose Yes, then select the shared network location for the media. This must be done on each guest media computer.